Welcome to Travels with the Russells. We invite you to join us on our adventures as we explore different countries, their cultures, sites, and significant historic and religious monuments.
We invite you to please like and subscribe to our channel, Travels with the Russells.
Hi, good morning, welcome. Today we're in Havana in Cuba. So we're actually in San Francisco Square at the moment. New to us, so we're going to have a walk around and we're going to take you with us. If you'd like to join us, you are most welcome. So we have an old church in front of us here. I'll take a wild guess, that'll be the Church of St. Francis. Is it St. Francis Square? Of course, the thing about Cuba is that it's pretty much undeveloped since the 1950s. So we've got the old colonial style buildings. The old 1950s cars. The old 57 Chevys and Caddies and old Fords, etc. everywhere. Yeah, and quite a lot of larders, old ones. So the Plaza de San Francisco, or St. Francis. Morning. No, thank you. Thank you very much. It's a massive church.
We're on the Russell walking tour.
Yeah. Yes, we're on Travels with the Russells walking tour. These are old cannons. It's a good idea because they must weigh about a ton. So just upend an old cannon and stick it in the ground. That keeps pedestrian access. Not sure what people are waiting for. It must be the must be the rum deliveries. Rum deliveries. Again, cannons as not sure if there is a railway system in Cuba at all, but since there's a railway train, it could well be. Camera representatives. Don't know. Yeah. Absolutely. Nice little tranquil square. It's very warm here, so I would imagine that a shady place like this will count, but it's quite slippy underfoot. Alexander von Humboldt. Unfortunately, my Cuban history is lacking, except for the Fidel Castro, etc. Bay of Pigs. Not sure how. I'm not sure how Cuba is with Russia at the moment. Of course, it used to be a big friend of the Russian Communist Continue now, walk up. Buildings are spectacular. The old cars, the old ladders. One thing is the exhaust fumes from the old cars, pretty choking sometimes when they drive past. Old Mercedes-Benz. These are either tram lines or train lines, obviously not being used in a long time. In the roads there. I think the one thing in Cuba they would say is make do and mend. Keeping these cars going with no spare parts for 50-60 years is an astounding feat, really. They must be spectacularly good at modifying and making do and mending. They're trying to make a living. Bel Air. Ah. This would be a local market. But it looks like it's pretty much closed today. So we'll
All the way across the cattle town, so it's Good Friday. I don't know. It's different anyway.
spectacular car. Oh. Just may look for this train track to be active. One to come up behind me and in fact I'm getting on the path here. So definitely a train car there, so it's train tracks. Well, so far so good. We're going to be doing a few videos here in Havana in Cuba, so if you'd like to join us, you'd be more than welcome. If you have subscribed, thank you very much. If you haven't yet subscribed, it'd be great if you could. We're going to hold this one here. So, see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. See you on our next Havana Cuban adventure video.